Okay, what's up, guys? So as you can see on the screen, you can see that we are having an amount of $17,000 there. And guys, let me just go to the next one quick. You can see the amount of $10,000 there. And guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how we'll be able to get our share from those amounts that you can see on the screen there. Yes, guys, yes. If you help those companies raise this kind of money, how you'll be able to get share from them. So guys, that's what I'm going to do in this video. So guys, we did how much I said, without how much time I said. All that we need to do in this video is that. Guys, so we're going to go to an app called Kick Booster, as you can see on the screen here. Here we are on a Kick Booster. So type in something like Kick Booster. So when you click on it, as you can see on the screen, when you click on it, it will take you to a page like this. As you can see, this way, this is how the Kick Booster platform look like. And guys, don't worry, because I'm going to show you what we'll be doing here and how we'll be able to make a lot of money here, as I also do here. So how much you can see, you have a lot of needs here. We have the beauty needs. We have a categories. Okay, sorry, that's a design category. We have the education. We have everyday careers. We have a lot of categories here, as you can see on the screen. So let me just scroll down. Let me just show you, guys. Now what this means here is that these are the products, or these are a set of products or items that people are going to release. As you can see, this one is left with 2 days to be left to be released, and the other one too is left with almost 23 days to be released, because as you can see on the screen. So those are the products that are going to release very soon. Now what we need to do here is that we are going to introduce this type of product to people around, and anytime that they buy or anytime that they click on the link, you share the link and they click on the link, you get paid for doing all those things. So guys, it's not that much interesting, and if it's interesting, guys, I will encourage all of you to help me to do this video, watch the video. I'm going to show you even a bonus tip that you can make a lot of money from this app. So just keep watching. And as you can see, let me just bring that when you're here, click on the 3 dots at the top there. When you click on the 3 dots, it will take you to where you be sign up. Click on the sign up button, and guys, when you're here, real quick, let's just come. Okay, when I hear, you can see that it's very simple. They just need our name, but remember, you have to sign up as a affiliate marketer. This one is a project creator, so you have to go back and scroll down, unless you see a place that they have written out affiliate. Click on the affiliate button. Okay, so when you're on their website, you click on the affiliate button. When you click on the affiliate button, it will take us to a place that we sign up as an affiliate. Yes, because we want to make a lot of money from here. So we are going to sign up as an affiliate. That's what we will be doing here. So I don't know, it seems like I'm getting a problem here. Real quick. Let it come real quick. Okay, so guys, when you're here, all that you need to do is click on the sign up button. You can say get reward for sharing the links. So you can say now it's have changed to our affiliate marketers. Now this is the path that we want, and this is where we are going to make a lot of money. So go ahead, give them your first name, give them your email address. So let me just give them my name. I have an account here already with them, so I'm just going to show you how you'll be able to create your account or have your account here. You can say that's my email address. So go ahead, give them out a referral link. And guys, the referral link, I'm not going to give my referral link to you to use, so that in case you have a new referral link, you can give it to your friends. And the more that they end, the more you get commission. But I'm not going to give you my referral link because I want all of you to start this for my friends. And guys, if you think that you like what I'm doing in this video, you like how I do my video, guys, why not go ahead and click on the thumbs button. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon below to be notified that I drop more videos. And guys, I drop video about how to make money online, so make sure that you go ahead and stick to it. Okay, so that's my password there. And guys, go ahead and create a password, confirm the password, click on the agree terms and condition, and click on I'm not a robot, and all that you need to do is click on submit, and guys, you are good to go. But I'm not going to go because I have account with them, so I'm just going to log in real quick, and let me show how the account inside look like. So let me just log in real quick. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going to log in right now. Let me show you how the account. Guys, so real quick. Okay, so you click on the 3 dot there and click on login, because I have accounts with them already, so I'm just going to log in. But those of you who don't have account, go ahead and click on the sign up button and sign up accounts with them. Okay, so that's my particulars there, so I just click on login. Boom. Okay, so this is how the account inside look like. And guys, when your account inside, all that you need to do at the top here, you can see at the top they have most boost campaign. Okay, so you click on the boost more campaigns. So you click on the more boost more campaigns. Like clicking on it, they will take you to the page that look like this, as you can see on the screen. And guys, also this thing will do is that they're going to give you a lot of campaign, a lot of items that you're going to boost, and when you boost them, you're going to get paid a lot of money, as you can see. So I'm just scrolling, like I can see a lot of campaigns here. There's a lot of campaigns. Now guys, the bonus tip that I have for you, the bonus tip I promise you that I will show you in this video is that now guys, when you are here, all that I'm going to show you, or the bonus tip I'm going to show you is that let me just scroll down real quick. Okay, before that, you can see that they have a lot of products here. They have a lot of products in this video, so go ahead and choose the product that you like, or you can even read more about the products by clicking on the review campaign. You read more about the products and you go ahead and share the product to all your friends out there who are looking for a new way of doing things. You have a lot of products. Okay, so guys, go ahead and look for the product. Now the bonus tip is that when you're here, you can see that they have our latest pick. So click on it and click on commission high to low. because guys, this is a bonus tip, guys. What this is that they're going to show you the products with high commission that if you sell, and now if you promote it, you're going to pay a lot of money. Yes, this is how the bonus is coming from. So that's the first bonus tips I've given on to you there. Okay, so guys, go ahead and look for products. I'm just going to choose a particular product for us to use here. I'm just searching through a product. I don't know which product to use as a tutorial of these videos. I'm just going to go. Let me scroll down. Okay, since like let me come top real quick. So guys, go ahead and choose for a product which is in demand and which people are left with few days. Okay, let me just choose this one here. Let me just choose it, guys. When you're here, all that you need to do is you click on the view campaign. So after you have clicked on the view campaign, they will tell you more about the product you're going to promote, more about what you're going to tell. In case you approach me and say that you are selling this product, you have to know more about the product you are selling. Tell me more about the product, and before I also go ahead and buying it. So I've created a platform for us here that you have to know more about the product. In case we are in the market, we tell our friend more about the product and they come and buy it. And anytime they buy it, you get a commission for doing that. So you click on the view campaign and boom, guys, when you click on the view campaign, this is how the platform look like. So earn 15% cash back for helping us spread the word. Okay, so as you can see, so the moment that you share this link to all friends, and they will even go ahead see the videos about how the things is used, and everything is here is done. So you can see, so all that you need to do, click on the boost our campaign. Click on it. When you click on the boost our campaign, it will take you to a platform that's look like this. And guys, all that you need to do here is generate a link, and you can see at the screen, they can see get reward for referring your friends. Wow, what is very great. So the moment that you just refer a friend, you get 50% commission from that. So share the boost or watch the sale rules and so all you need to do is just copy the link and go ahead and share it to all your friends who are looking for a way to not a way, but who are looking for new products and they are interested in getting the new products. And guys, so when you give them the link, this is the page that they will come here, and when they are here, they will read more about the product that you offer them. And guys, don't worry, I'm going to show you the best place that you can go and share this link that people are interested in knowing more about new products. So without much time, I said much time wasted here, please make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell icon below to be notified when I drop more videos. And guys, also give me a thumbs up when you think that what I'm doing this video you truly like it. So guys, so let's go ahead and copy the link. So you just copy the link here. And now guys, now the question here is that now somebody asked me, I said, where are we going to share the link? Should we go and share it to our friends on WhatsApp or on Facebook? Guys, don't worry, I'm going to introduce you anything that I've never said in this video before. That's Reddit. And guys, Reddit is a platform that people come and interact with what is going on in the market, interact with people come and discuss about more issues and more ways of doing things. So we are also going there. So when you're here, click on the first link here. As you can see, when you click on the first link here, to take you a place that will look like this. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I've been using this for past years now, and I have account with them, as you can see on the screen here. So all that you need to do, come to reddit.com, create an account with them, and guys, start answering questions. That's what they do here. So you can see that somebody is even doing a live stream and a lot of people are even watching it. Guys, I have something that I used to generate the traffic here, so let me just place it here real quickly. Okay, so you can see that the whole global world, Reddit is taking out the 21 worldwide. Okay, so it's at the 21 position, and guys, there's a lot of traffic. Let me just see. Okay, guys, monthly visits, you can see that it is visited by 1.5 billion. There's not even billion people every month have been visiting this website. So imagine we get that 1.5 billion people buying our products, or maybe liking the product or viewing the product. You're going to make a lot of money from there. Okay, so guys, without that much I say, now we're going to copy the link that let me just go back. Okay, so we're going to tell more about this product to them, and the reason why they need to buy it. After buying it, then we are going to get commission from that. So let me just copy the name of the product. Let me just copy this one. Let me just copy it real quick. Okay, guys, I think this one will not do. Let me just, so make sure that you get the name of the product that I promise. Make sure that you get the name of the product and go and search it on Reddit. After searching on it, then you are going to get people who are talking about products. You also go ahead, tell them about the product, tell them about the new product and the new thing that you have made. So let me just copy that one real quick. Let me just search it. Okay, yeah, paste it there. Let me just paste it and click on the search. So they will give us a lot of articles, a lot of forum, a lot of platform that are talking about a cast iron, silver, a cooking utensils. As you can see, there are a lot of products here. There are a lot of people here where you're talking about cooking utensils. So these are a lot of posts that people have posted about cooking utensils. So you can go ahead, comment below, and let them know that okay, you have also found a new one which is very good, very affordable, very try to be convenient, convince them a way that you can even click on your link. After clicking on your link and the purchase, guy, you get commission, 15 commission for doing a lot of all those things. So when you're here, for example, we are here, you want to comment to this one top, for example. So we are here. I'm just going to write something like something convincing, right? Try and write something convincing. I don't know. Let me just write something like okay, I have something like I don't know. Just okay. Let me just try and write something like this. Okay. Okay, so after writing something like this, all that you need to do is go back to the link, copy the link here. Okay, so we are going to copy the link here. Okay, so let's go back to the okay. So you're going to go out, paste the link here. Okay, guys, so try and write something convincing like this and click on comment. And guys, most people here, those 1.5 billion people here who come who are looking for there will be equally some that will be looking for a way to make money here, or that will be looking for to know more about our products here. So they will come and read the comments and know more what we are trying to say, and they are going to click on the link. After they are clicking on the link and they have go through the sites and they know that okay, this sound is very good, they go ahead and purchase it. When they purchase it, you get commission for doing that. So it's simply like the affiliate marketing that I mostly talk about on my channel here. So as you can see, I have a channel, I have an account here, so make sure you create an account here, guys. You have the pay method and the free method here, but I'm using the free method. So in case you want me to do video about how to create account here, I'll do more video about this. You can just let me know. I'll do more video about Reddit and how you'll be able to use it and how you'll be able to make a lot of money here. So you can see this is my account that I've created here. I've created this account. It's been a while. That's I think that was around almost 2020 or so that I've created that account here. So guys, go ahead and give me a like so you think that this video is, or you have found a value in whatever I've shown you guys here. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to all your friends. See you in my next video, and I'm out.